Did you know that nearly 70% of millennials feel stressed about their finances? Let's change that. Today, we're diving into the crucial money mistakes to avoid in your 20s to ensure a secure financial future. Trust me, learning from these mistakes now can save you a ton of headaches later. So, here's the deal. Many young adults face common financial pitfalls that can really hinder their long-term financial health and independence. Picture this. You just graduated, you've landed your first job, and suddenly you're making money. It's super exciting, right? But without a plan, it's also really easy to fall into the trap of living paycheck to paycheck. Whether it's from overspending on those trendy clothes, dining out way too often, or just not keeping track of where your money goes, these habits can sneak up on you. The truth is, if you don't address these issues now, they can snowball into much bigger problems down the road. You might find yourself drowning in debt or struggling to save when you really need it. So let's break down some of these mistakes together. Exploration, development. Alright, let's explore some key mistakes. First up is overspending. It's super tempting to treat yourself when you get that paycheck. But if you're not careful, those little splurges can add up. Try setting a budget that allows for both savings and some fun spending. Next, we have neglecting savings. Seriously, even if it's just a small amount, putting money away consistently can create a safety net for you. Aim to save at least 20% of your income if possible. And then we can't forget about investing. A lot of people think investing is only for the rich or for those who are old, but starting early can really pay off. Look into low-cost index funds or a retirement account like a Roth IRA. It's never too early to start thinking about your future. By being aware of these traps and making a plan, you can navigate your financial journey with confidence. The most important insight here is that prioritizing financial literacy and making informed decisions can set you on the path to success. Think about it. The more you know, the better choices you can make. There are tons of resources available online, from budgeting apps to personal finance courses. Take advantage of them. It's all about setting yourself up for success, so don't shy away from learning. Remember, every small step counts. The sooner you start being proactive with your finances, the better off you'll be in the long run. So, by avoiding these money mistakes, you can build a solid foundation for your future and achieve your financial goals. It's all about creating good habits and being mindful of your spending, saving, and investing now, so that you can live your best life later. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own money tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences and what strategies you found useful. Let's keep the conversation going, and remember, you've got this.